Step by Step French Part 9. Kindly watch the previous videos because this series is constructed systematically. Words in English ending in ION come from French. They have the same spelling and the meaning. Now, the word opinion in French, it has the same spelling, but it is pronounced as opinion. Opinion. The word condition, English word condition in French, it is called condition. Condition. Remember the ending of the word, how it is pronounced. Condition. For instance, the condition of English word in French, it is pronounced as la condition. La condition. A condition in English, when it comes to French, it is called une condition. Une condition. Une. Indefinite article. What condition in French is called quelle condition. Quelle condition. The word position in French is called position. Position. Now you can tell me the position, how do you call it in French? La position. La position. This is the definite article. How do you say a position? A position in French. Une position. Une position. Now how do you say what position? What position? Imagine and let me know. Quelle position? Quelle position? This is the feminine adjective. We can see them later. For instance, reservation. How do you call it in French? Reservation. It is called réservation. Réservation. Notice this E with accent. How do you say the reservation in French? La réservation. La réservation. A reservation. How do you say it in French? A reservation. Une réservation. Une réservation. Now, how do you say what reservation in French? Quelle réservation. Quelle réservation. Réservation. I'm getting Spanish accent. How do you say in French, do you have a reservation for me for tonight? Do you have a reservation for me for tonight? If you want to say it fully, you have to revise the previous lectures. Avez-vous une réservation pour moi pour ce soir? Avez-vous une réservation pour moi pour ce soir? In what sort, the English word what sort in French, it is called quelle sorte. Quelle sorte. It's almost sounds similar. Quelle sorte. The word of in French, it is called de. Like it is almost similar to the, but pronounced as de. Now how do you say what kind of reservation do you have for me for tonight? What kind of reservation do you have for me tonight? How do you say it? Think and say. Quelle sorte de réservation avez-vous pour moi pour ce soir? Quelle sorte de réservation avez-vous pour moi pour ce soir? What kind of reservation do you want for tonight? How do you say it in French? What kind of reservation do you have for tonight? Think and say. Quelle sorte de réservation avez-vous pour ce soir? Quelle sorte de réservation avez-vous quelle sorte de réservation voulez-vous? Do you want? Voulez-vous pour ce soir? Merci, à bientôt.